With this video, I'd like to introduce some tips on how to prepare boiled rice. Okay, so I have 3 cups of rice in this bowl. 3 cups makes about 4 to 5 servings. First, you want to fill the bowl with a lot of water. There you go. Okay, stir it a few times and throw away the white water as quickly as possible. Okay, you want to do this quickly so that the rice doesn't absorb the bran. Okay, you want to do this about 2 times. Stir it a few times and throw away the white water. Okay. Next, what you want to do is you want to use the palm of your hand to press the rice about 20 to 30 times, like this. Okay, this may seem a bit bothersome to do, but if you don't do this, then the rice may end up being really gooey and have this like really funky smell after you cook it. So you want to do this pretty thoroughly. Okay, alright, I think that's about it. Okay, now add a lot of water. Stir it. Okay. Oh, you see how the water's really white this time? You want to do this a couple of times until the water becomes clear. So there you go. Okay, it's still a little white, so maybe one more time. Okay. It doesn't have to be like super clear, but you see how the water's becoming clear like this? Okay. Yeah, okay. Okay, I think that's good enough. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to take a strainer and you want to drain the rice into the strainer. Okay, oops. Let me see if I can get all that rice out of the bowl. Okay, there you go. Okay, and let the rice rest like this for about 30 minutes. Okay, you want to do this so each rice grain will become really plump and moist when you cook it. Okay, so after 30 minutes, like this, put the rice in the rice cooker and add the appropriate amount of water and press the cook button and wait for it to cook. Okay, the rice finished cooking. Now, after the rice finished cooking, you want to turn the switch off and you want to let the rice settle for about 5 to 10 minutes. You want to wait without opening the lid. Okay, so I waited an extra 5 to 10 minutes. Next, get a wet spoon or spatula. Okay, and okay, and you want to mix the rice like cutting through the rice like this and kind of flip it over. Flip it over. Okay, like this. Okay, and there you got really moist, plump, good smelling, delicious rice. Okay, and serve it in a bowl. Okay, or we call this ochawan. Serve it in an ochawan, like this. Okay, and you're ready to serve. それではいただきます。Thank you for watching.